Say hello. What is your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. What is your name? What's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
What did you say? How are you? How are you today? Good. Okay. Amigo here is very clever. He can count 1 to 10. Now, he will ready. He's going to count 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Perfect. 10. Now he's going to count 1 to 10 again, but this time in Chinese. He's learning to count in Korean. Learning. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 요. That's my counting. He's learning, but he's going to count in Chinese now. Count in Chinese. 二 Very good. He's going to sing a line. Okay, so he's going to sing a song in Mandarin. Mandarin song. It's titled 客人来. Yeah, children, local children song. 客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家. Something like that. Sing that song in Mandarin.
客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我一个人牵着家来听你唱。
Very good. Now he's going to sing a Malay song entitled Rasa Sayang. If I translate that, it simply means feelings of love. Rasa is feel, sayang is love. Okay, ready? Rasa Sayang. Sing Rasa Sayang. No, that wasn't good. Okay, come on now, Rocky. Oh, everyone love. Okay, Rocky, hold on, Rocky. He didn't sing it quite well. Okay, sing it again. Mona jauh. That's the word that he missed. Can he sing it one more time? You sing one more time, Rocky. Okay, sing. Rasa sayang. Hey, very good, Rocky. Hey, Rocky, amigo, thank you. Rocky, what brings you up here, my friend? What brings you up here? Huh? Today is your birthday. Today is Rocky's birthday. Happy birthday, Rocky. Oh, you want to dance? Okay. Now, anyone's birthday today, raise your hand. Birthday. Your birthday. You are 17, 16 years old. 16. 17, around there. Anyone else? Birthday? Oh, your birthday. You must be 6 years old, 4 years old, 7, 8 years old. Okay, anyone else? Your birthday? No. Mommy say no. Okay,